Hi guys, we're here chilling at Jose's Caves, learning Spanish syllables. And today we're gonna learn Spanish syllables with letter che. So learning Spanish syllables with letter che. The syllable sounds the letter che makes are as follows: cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. One more time. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Okay, guys, that concludes learning Spanish syllables with letter che. Like usual, keep practicing those syllable sounds until memorized. Next syllable sounds that we're going to learn are going to be Spanish syllable sounds with letter D. Stay tuned for Spanish syllable sounds with letter D. Hope you all guys have a great day. See you on the next one.